Hello dear fans. How to find the cosine knowing the sine. In order to obtain a formula connecting the sine and cosine of an angle, it is necessary to give or recall some definitions. So, the sine of an angle is the ratio, quotient of division, of the opposite leg of a right triangle to the hypotenuse. The cosine of the angle is the ratio of the adjacent leg to the hypotenuse. Instructions. Step 1. Let's draw a right-angled triangle ABC, where the angle ABC is a straight line, figure 1. Consider the ratio of the sine and cosine of the angle CAB, according to the above definition. Sine CAB equals BC/AC, cosine CAB equals AB/AC. Step 2. Remember the Pythagorean theorem AB(2 plus BC(2) equals AC(2), where (2) is the squaring operation. Divide the left and right sides of the equation by the square of the hypotenuse AC. Then the previous equality will look like this. AB(2/AC(2) plus BC(2/AC(2) is equal to 1. Step 3. For convenience, we rewrite the equality obtained in step 2 as follows. AB(AC(2) plus BC/AC(2) is equal to 1. According to the definitions given in step 1, we get cosine (2) CAB plus sine (2) CAB equals 1, i.e., cosine CAB equals SQRT, 1 sine (2) CAB, where SQRT is the square root operation. Thanks for watching.